tire too. I was like, I was almost said, I'm glad I made it past the last climb. Yep.
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. I'm a mountain biker. I got tools. Not on me though.
The tire's blown.
Yeah, a good one. Is it the tire or is it the tube?
It's a tire.
I got a boot.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna need. It's not split all the way through, but it's pretty much shot, you know.
I got a boot. Well, I got a spare tire piece.
No, I got a tube.
That should work.
Yeah. Y'all want to go ahead? That's fine.
I'll wait for you. Just in case that boot goes bad. In case that boot goes bad.
I'll take a picture though. Yeah, I was gonna say, couldn't happen at a prettier place. Man, I just kept feeling it getting worse and worse, and I thought, man, I think I'm gonna make it. Not.
Think about it though, if you're coming down that hill doing 35, 40.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it was in the front, but
It could have been a lot worse. As soon as you said, I see it, I'm like, oh, don't say anything.
I mean, it was bad.
Yeah, it was getting bad. I could feel it. That's why I kept coming off of it.
Yeah.
I was trying not to put any weight on it.
It's not really a good place to sit. Before just hosing it down is worse than to do.
Oh no, I'm even worse. I'll put a pressure washer at work.
Well, I mean, that's not a problem if you let it dry out before you put lube on, dude.
I take the air hose and blow it dry usually pretty quick. Of course, it had to be the back one.
Well, at least it wasn't a mile up the road.
Halfway down or something.
It was worse than a flat, believe me.
Oh, what happened?
He split the two.
I split the tire.
Oh shit.
It's been, it was kind of bumping on me ever since the rest stop, and I kept standing up and trying not to put too much weight on it, you know.
Yeah.
I'm like, just let me get past the last climb, and I'll be pretty happy. And I did. It just did right here. So.
Yeah, about a minute after I said, "Hey, your tire does look."
I know. I'm like, shut up, man.
All I know is
I knew it was bad because it was thumping the whole way.
Just better wait on that. Man.
All right.
Roll on.
Glasses. Where did I step? Did I step on my
Oh,
glasses?
you're stepping on them.
They're under your foot.
Nice. Slow going down. James had a boot. Nice little boot. Huh?
Of course he did.
Yep, he did.
It's like a Boy
I
Scout.
might have had one back in my bag of tricks back here somewhere, but I didn't bother to look because James, you know James, he's Johnny on the spot. He pulled the boot right out. I'll be right there. I was going to say, it's Chris. Four-way, three-way.
I didn't realize it was 4 way.
Yay!
Made it back.
Don't forget to replace your boot, James.
Yeah, I got another one at home.